Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty is a Girl, chapter 56. So here it is. Let's read the story. To the Empress and the little queen. Two of them are still in the palace. I wish you the next one. Oh, the Empress. We wake up early. That greeted. On every servant in the palace, everyone seems looking for her. Longevity, Yongle. Everyone is greeting her. And the Empress right now, she said, get off. Still, the servant greeted her with respect. Everyone seems to be happy. Why can't you come? Oh, she really got worried. Everyone that Lucia celebrated his birthday in the palace this year. Gifts are also given when you come to the palace. When you take a look, right now the Empress seems to be not in good. Since she cannot see the little queen. Send it to the queen and let her pick off what she likes. Now the Empress is giving them orders. Now the Empress seems to be interested after the birthday will be the concubine and receive a congratulatory gift. Now she suddenly got worried about this matter. Right now she looked back. Well, could it be that she's seeing something else right now? That's why she looks really surprised. The Empress, who is she seeing right now? Seems to be surprised more. Well, it was right, it turns out. Right now the little queen was here to greet her. Luxia is so kind to me. Naturally, I want to be nice. Empress said to her. Right now, the little queen. Look at her, she looks really happy. Yan, see if the new clothes look good. I made it for your birthday. Oh, it turns out, she really made this. Why suddenly she wore that dress? She's going to keep it on Xinyan. My birthday, are you going to wear new clothes? You are pretty, little queen. Are you unhappy? Well, right now, she was asking Xinyan. But right now, Nyan seems to be unhappy few minutes ago. But right now, of course, seeing her, it really makes her happy. Xinyan said to her, okay, is right. Well, she really admitted. Right now, she seems to be so much happy. The left and right are the palace, and there's no need to pay attention to many rules. Well, Xinyan was right. Right now, she's trying to grab the little queen hands. She want to walk in the palace like this. Your Majesty, let's have fun. Celebrate your birthday happily today. Oh, the little queen seems to be. She has something planned. Well, to be able to make the Empress happy today. The little queen and the Empress are going fishing right now. It seems that the Empress will really catch a big fish. Your Majesty, the fish is hooked. Oh, it turns out it was a really big fish. After fishing, right now, Your Majesty is fixing a toy for their cat. And looking at the little queen right now, she is playing with a cat. What a cute supportive wifey, right? Well, the little queen seems to be wanting to surprise her so much. It takes some time to spend the wine on your hairpin. Your Majesty is so elegant today. Little queen is praising her. Well, she was really cute and beautiful, right? Yan, fever are more delicate than flowers. Let me take a good look of your temples at night. How nice is this flower quietly? Then you can be tired tonight. Oh, right now. Xinyan, she was really teasing the little queen. But looking at her, I'm so tired after playing with you all day. Let's go back. It turns out she was really sleepy. And right now she want to go back to bed so they can sleep early. Xinyan said, okay, it's really hard for the queen to accompany me today. Right now, Xinyan. She was teasing her so much. But looking at the little queen, she looks really tired. They go back to the palace even though it was my birthday, I was still like an ordinary day. Well, definitely she's right. Right now, they're really enjoying the company of each other. It's especially the little queen. A Julian Yuhan sent by an adult it's also interesting. I will have to see how many days it can be unlocked. Also caught a fish today and I will make the soft peaches into fish dumplings tomorrow. Right now, the little queen, she was thinking something, be able what to do next day. Every day with her, it seems that it's not an ordinary. That's what the little queen thinking right now. Of course, maybe she was really fall in love with Her Majesty. Right now, they went back to the room. It seems that Xinyan, she seems to be surprised. The room's still, it was really dark, and they don't have any light. What's the matter? I still don't hold the lamp at this time. Well, right now, she got really worried. Why suddenly, when she came back, the room is so dark? Well, maybe right now, they really gonna surprise her. Well, it was right. Xinyan, right now, her eyes is getting bigger. Maybe she got really surprised. But what is it? What is the surprise for her? Xinyan said, didn't you say that you didn't prefer a gift? You was so soft-hearted, but what to do? Right now, the little queen, she was really smiling. When she looked back, it turns out there's a lot of fireworks on the room and can be seen on the window. I'm not so soft on everyone, the little queen said to Xinyan. Of course, she only loves Xinyan. She's always soft and fun for her. Yan Yan, I know that. You are hard as steel. Right now, they move really close to each other. Xinyan and the little queen are looking at each other and not speaking. Maybe they really want to feel the sweet things, especially the sin. Also knows that I have received very little love in the past. Well, the little queen is right. Xinyan, her childhood and younger days are not good for her. Especially, she really suffers a lot. It's really hard for you all these years. Don't be afraid, don't be sad anymore. From now on, I will love you. Oh, this is really the sweet things. Right now, looking at her, she was really fun and also teary. Well, this is the first thing. Someone really like her so much. Cause right now, since the atmosphere is getting better, Xinyan, she moved closer to the little queen. She kissed her softly. As of now, this is the first birthday happened to Nyan Yan. And it was really good that the little queen was there. Even if we don't reconcile, you will give me these fireworks, right? Yes, yes, I told you, I like you so much, the little queen said to her. Finally, the two of them are getting reconciled. Hey guys, thanks for the new supporter. Big thanks to all of you. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily update. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can join on membership or you can directly support me on Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!